Hey there. So let me ask you something. How's your website working for you? Getting tons of leads? If you're sitting there thinking, ugh, not really, then we've got a problem. But don't worry, we're going to fix that today. I'm going to walk you through a super simple formula that has helped a lot of home service business like yours rake in millions. Yep, you heard that right, millions. So, if you're ready to turn your website into a client generating machine, stick around. All right, let's kick things off first. Impressions. You probably heard the saying, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. Well, that's never been more true than with your website. You've got 50 milliseconds, yeah, milliseconds, to convince a visitor that you're legit. That's faster than a blink of an eye, my friend. And when it comes to home services, first impressions are everything. Here's the deal. Your website needs to scream professionalism and trustworthiness. From the second it loads, think of it like this. Would you hire a plumber whose website looks like it was designed in the 90s? So let's make sure your site looks as sharp as your work. Now let's talk about your clients. People like Betty here. Betty's been staring at her overgrown lawn for weeks, and she's finally ready to do something about it. But she's not just going to hire the first person she finds. Nope, she's going to do some digging. And if your website isn't crystal clear about how you can solve her problem, she's out, gone. Can she trust you? Can you do the job right? And can she find what she needs on your site without getting lost in the sea of tabs and links? If your site is a mess, Betty's going to bounce faster than you can say, "Where did my leads go?" So here's the key: make it easy, make it clear, and for the love of all things, make it about the client. Let's get one thing straight: simplicity is your best friend. And I'm not just saying that because it sounds nice. Clients like Betty don't want simplicity is your best friend. And I'm not saying that because it sounds nice. Clients like Betty don't want to play Sherlock Holmes, trying to figure out where your pricing is or how to contact you. They want answers, and they want them fast. So let's keep it simple. Here's a pro tip: keep your navigation clean. No one wants to click through 5 different pages just to find out if you service their service area. Your site should have the basics right up front: services, pricing, about you, and how to get in touch. That's it. No fluff, no filler, just the essentials. And trust me, your clients will thank you for it. Okay, now let's talk about the secret weapon video. Yep, you heard me. Videos like magic when it comes to building trust online. Think about it. When clients can see your face, hear your voice, and watch you explain what you do, it's like they're meeting you in person. That's huge. So what kind of video should you be making? An about us video is no brainer. Show them who you are, why you do what you do, and how you're going to make their lives easier. Then hit them with a testimonial or two from clients who can't stop singing your praises. It's all about showing, not just telling. Speaking of testimonials, let's get real for a second. Not all testimonials are created equal. The best ones, they tell a story. They show how you took a client's problem and turned it into a win. And trust me, that's what potential clients want to see. They want proof that you can deliver the goods. Place your top 3 testimonials right on your homepage where everyone can see them. And make sure they're powerful. None of the great service, highly recommended nonsense. You want testimonials that dig into the nitty gritty, showing exactly how you made someone's life better. And that's what turns lookers into bookers. Now, let's talk about lead magnets. You know, those potential clients who aren't quite ready to pull the trigger. Don't let them slip away. Offer them something valuable, like a free guide to winterize their home or a lawn care checklist, in exchange for their email address. Boom, now you gotta wait to keep the conversation going. And here's the kicker: email marketing is still king. For every dollar you spend, you can expect a 43 times return. Yeah, you heard that right. So keep those leads warm with helpful content and tips. And when they're ready to hire, guess who they're going to call? That's right, you. All right. Last but definitely not least, your calls to action. Those babies need to be front and center, not hiding out in the corner somewhere. Use clear, nonsense language like book your free consultation or schedule service now. And don't just stick one at the top and call it a day. Sprinkle them throughout your site like confetti, like at a New Year's Eve party. The easier you make it for someone to reach out, the more likely they are to do it. Don't make them guess what the next step is. Lay it out for them, plain and simple. So there you have it, your roadmap to a website that actually brings in clients. It's not rocket science, but it does take some thought and effort. By focusing on first impressions, keeping things simple, and building trust throughout the video, and building trust through video and testimonials, you can turn your website into a 24/7 sales machine. Ready to take your website to the next level? Don't wait. Start putting these strategies to work today and watch your business grow. And if you're looking for expert help to design a website that truly connects with your clients and drives results, I'd love to help. Visit my website to learn more about my website design services and see how I can help your home service business thrive. Click the link in the description to get started. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on growing your business. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and here's to your business success.